You're listening to the Fairies and Folklore podcast by Rinal. I'm dark fantasy author Rinal Jansen van Vieren. With nearly a decade of digging around in dusty folklore books, researching creatures of imagination that ignited my curiosity, I'm here to share the folklore in a nutshell and how I reimagined it for my writing in An Origin of the Fae. This is the Fairies and Folklore podcast. Hi, I'm your host, Rinal Jansen van Vieren. You can just call me Rinal. In today's episode, we're continuing our exploration of the Fae realm. We are continuing our exploration of small, everyday Fae, today's fairy, elementals. Folklore in a nutshell by Rinal. During the European Renaissance, the mythic being known as an elemental became known in occult and alchemical circles. Paracelsus, renowned Swiss alchemist, elaborated on this, and 4 categories of elementals came to be known: gnomes, sylphs, salamanders, and undines. These categories corresponded to the elements of antiquity: earth, air, fire, and water. According to Paracelsus, each of the elementals can move through their own element as easily as humans move through air. Alphys Levi, prolific author of books about magic, Kabbalah, alchemical studies, and occultism, named the sovereigns of each of these elemental groups: Nexa of the Undines, Gob of the Gnomes, Beralda of the Sylphs, and Deju of the Salamanders. And because he could, he assigned them the kingdoms: Undines to the west, Sylphs to the east, Salamanders to the south, and Gnomes to the north. Robert Kirk described them as having light, changeable bodies, but if you prefer them to be beautiful and dangerous instead, that's fine too. And now for my interpretation of the Fae in An Origin of the Fae, elementals. They are tiny Fae in charge of the 4 elements: fire, air, water, earth. Elementals have light, changeable bodies, like condensed cloud, and best seen at twilight, just as Robert Kirk described them. They move as easily through their elements as humans through air. Salamanders of fire, sylphs of air, undines of water, gnomes of earth. Each faction has its own ruler: Deju of the Salamanders, Beralda of the Sylphs, Nexa of the Undines, Gob of the Gnomes. They all reside in Avenel Hollow, which they share with the Season Fae. The kingdoms: Salamanders to the south, Sylphs to the east, Undines to the west, and Gnomes to the north. As a little bonus, let's look at the translation of elementals into Afrikaans. Elementafear. I hope that you've enjoyed this episode of the Fairies and Folklore podcast and that you've learned something new about fairies. Remember that you can get a transcript of this episode in the description. If you're new to the podcast, why not go and grab your free copy of Unseen, the 2nd book in the fairy tale series, on my website, rinaldthemythmaker.com. Loads of folklore, magic, and danger await. Take care.